Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk how to customize and create a website on Squarespace for affirmation cards and journals, businesses and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first, if the topic isn't here, you can select all templates, and the type, it might be online store and also services. So here you can choose, you can start with one of these templates here, or also here you can build your own template. So let's get started, and let's go. So here you can enter your business name, and let's continue. Here you can build your homepage. Build your homepage section by section, add in as many or as few sections as you need. So the first section, the intro section, must be an attractive section. So you have to try your best to make your site looks better and attractive to attract more people and more customers to your website. You can do anything to make your site looks better than this. So let's continue. Here you can add page to your site and choose the color palette. Choose any color you like, any color match with your business. Okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this. Also the font, you can choose any font. See, any font, it's much better. Here you can choose if you want to continue and describe the details about your website, and add the description and choose the writing style, or if you want to just skip this. I'm gonna skip this. Okay, and now let's move on to customize the website homepage. So this is your homepage right now. So first click here, edit, and the first thing here, you have to change the text here and introduce your brand. Okay, you can type, for example, welcome to our site for affirmation cards and journals. Okay, and now you can change the text on this label here if you want. After this, you can go to the background, you can change it. So you can select just a simple art if you want from here, or also you can add the image as a background. Select from library and go to the free image and search on affirmation cards and journals. Okay, okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this. And now let's move on to the site header. You can change here the site title and the logo image. You can upload your logo image as a file or upload this from select it from library. And also you can add the mobile logo image. And let's move on to the elements. Here you can customize the element section. And you can edit the social links and the social icon size, the style icon. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So this section, first you can change the wave intensity and the text size. And first, here you have to delete this image and add another one. Okay. Okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this. The text here, you can use this space to talk about your shop and your products, how and where are they made, what makes them unique. Also, you can first, to make it attractive, you can change the heading to the paragraph to heading, and after this you can change the topic of this text here. Now let's move on to the background. So the background, you don't have to select image on the background, just a simple art, it's much better like this. Okay, let's move on to the next. Also here, just a simple art. Okay, here also just a simple art. Now let's move on. Here, instead of this image, you can add a map, for example, to add your location. Okay, here you can add the business name and the address in the city, in the state, the country. Also here you can change the design of the map if you like. And in the background, just a simple art. That's it. Now let's move on to the next section, the last section on this website, the footer section. So go to the background, go to the art, and select just a simple art like this. So that's it. That's how to customize and design your website's homepage on Squarespace for affirmation cards and journals. Business isn't quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.